okra tea is finished boiling, right? Nice and slimy. So if you want, you can strain it off and sweeten it to your liking, right? You can sweeten it with sugar, you can sweeten it with honey, you can sweeten it with milk, anything that you prefer. But right now, I'm going to let this cool and do a iced tea version. Something similar to a iced tea, but this is the one I'll be doing is a strong back. Right? For the man we can't get no picnic and then little thing there, you know. Man we work hard and anything there, you can make this version. Strong back. So I'm going to let it cool and then sweeten. Add some stuff into it. Boost your energy, boost your sperm count and stuff like that.